Oh,
Yeah.
I think these are my silicone hoses to replace the really oh, they are as well. Oh yeah, they're gonna look so much better than the crappy blue ones that are already on the intake. Yeah, so much better. Oh! Hi everyone, welcome back to Map Videos. Today I'm going to be changing out some really old, really badly cut blue silicone hoses in the engine bay to red because I work on a really weird like rule, which is basically if I'm going to colour anything, red is for power, blue is for like oil coolant. So yeah, like changing the red on the intake, changes to red on the intake is going to make the engine bay look a lot more smarter. And I've got to admit, these hoses, as you'll see in a minute, are absolutely disgusting. So here we go, guys. These are the silicone hoses that are needing to come off because they're really badly cut. I don't know who cut them, but they're not straight and they're covered in oil and they just don't sit very well anymore. I think the intake is quite cheap off eBay. The only bit that's worth a bit more money is the filter that I put in myself, but apart from that, I think it's a really cheap intake, so that'll have to come off at some point. But for the time being, we're gonna make it a little bit better with these red silicone hoses I've got. Oh yeah, so yeah guys, you can see just how fucking full of oil and crap, and they just look awful. They feel awful on my hand. They're so, I think they've had it definitely. So bye. But yeah, so bit of rust, that's not good. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to test fit this new one, see how it looks. So guys, the red tubes are on for the intake and they look so much nicer. Oh my god, they really do make the engine bay pop now. So much nicer. So pleased with that. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.